Hey, to change sound effects on your Realme Buds Wireless 2nd generation, first you have to open the Realme Link application, then select your Realme Buds from the list, and right here you can find these sound effects. So we've got 3 default options: the Bass Boost Plus, the Balanced, and the Bright. So if you are listening to any song, you can try to test this sound effects and pick this one that fits you the best, and also you are able to enhance the volume by tapping on the switcher. And that's all. Bye bye.